How to turn the fireplace on. First thing, make sure this knob is off. Right in the middle. Off. That's the temperature control. We're gonna go to the fireplace. We're gonna push in. We're gonna open the gas line. We're gonna concentrate in these two buttons. One of them is gonna be the pilot to turn it on, and the other one is gonna be the igniter. We're gonna turn to the left one knot. We're gonna pump twice, and while we press in, we touch with the other button the pilot to start it up. Fire will come up. Release the button slowly. See, it turns off, so we try it again. Slowly. Once it comes out, you're gonna be able to turn it all the way to the left, and that will flow the gas. Once the propane is flowing through, this is the ignition. You push it in. Once the pilot is on, come back to this, and you're gonna turn it on. It says